everyone. So today's video I'm gonna ask AI tools why 99% e-commerce brand not getting sales, and let's see what type of result we're getting from AI. Okay. Hey ChatGPT, hope you are doing good. So currently I see that 99% people actually not getting sales on the e-commerce business when they're running. It's might be for their no experience, nothing. Like there are a lot of reasons. So can you give me the 5 point that I can explain to my viewers, because currently in front of the camera I'm discussing you and then I'm asking you. So you need to give me the 5 point why 99% e-commerce brand cannot scale. What the reason? So either it might be their own brand, either it might be drop shipping. So for the drop shipping, give me 3 point. For the e-commerce brand, give me the for own brand, give me 3 point or 3 point, yeah, something like that. So give me this thing, and so that I can explain, and give me short way, because people not gonna give people are not gonna watch the full video if this is too long. So in short time, try to give the very good answer and do some analyze. Without analyze, don't give me result. Okay. And guys, let's wait what type of result we are getting from here. So let's see what type of result we are getting from here. That's it. So first of all, I will wait for the result. Okay, first 99% why 99% people actually fail don't school. Step 1, research, and that applies to everyone. First, two reasons that apply everyone. So they treat it like the scale hassle. Okay, not a real business. No system, no idea tracking, no long term plan, no scaling like scaling needed strategy, no luck. Okay, they quite too early. So like 99% quite very early. Okay, most brands stop after few bad tweaks. Like you are getting like you run the Facebook ads but not getting sales, then they quit. That's the not right strategy. You should keep working, keep going. Okay, and real brand test, learn, and optimize. So you should apply multiple stuff and multiple thing and the multiple strategy. Then you should keep waiting result and change multiple time and see what happening. Okay, drop shipping, big three reason is scaling the same product as everyone. Okay, selling the same product as everyone. Like if 100 stores sell the same item, price wire start, profit die. Okay, so poor customer experience, like long shipping time. So this is the very bad thing. And then also bad support, no repeated buyer. So if your business is not coming repeated buyer, you're never gonna get sales. Okay, rely on only ads. So that's the biggest mistake. So no organic content, no email, no SMS, no branding, no ad stop. Like when ad stop, scale stop. So there's the not strategy. You should share your brand, and you should keep continuously posting and people, and then you should share your brand information, like all this stuff. And own brand, big three reason. Okay, so that I already discussed. And simple close line for your video. So for my video, ChatGPT giving me as a summary. So e-commerce doesn't fail because it's hard. It's fail because people treat it like costly. The winners treat it like a real business. So that's the thing. So in short video, I hope you completely understand exactly what I'm trying to tell you. So you should from here you should identify what mistake you're making, and you should set up your mindset. You should keep working. Okay, that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye.